Fisch.
Hi.
What?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
No, you're not. You're talking to me, silly.
What do you want?
Bird, I need a help. Oh, sweet, crusty Jesus, I need you. Bird,
What?
help, help.
What's wrong?
Help me, Bird. Guess what?
No, I really don't want to.
Come on, you know you want to. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
What? No, I cannot do this with you. I am here with someone.
Nice. He seems very handsome.
Fisch, where are you?
I'm somewhere I shouldn't be.
Do you want me, Mommy?
Bird.
Dude, I met you like 2 days
Hey,
ago.
Bird. Open your door. Open your door, Bird.
Is that your boyfriend?
Listen, I cannot do this with you tonight.
Huh?
It'll be fun.
No, my kid is here.
Wait, you have a kid?
Who do you think I was talking to for half an hour before we had sex?
You call me. You don't have toilet paper. Open your door.
Fuck. Get your shit.
God, wait, what's going on?
Bird. It's not very nice. You could have been the one. Open your door. Can we keep her?
Hey, Mommy, come back to bed already. Huh? Is that your kid?
Dude, you cannot keep doing this shit to me.
You have a kid.
What I have is a private space that I worked my ass off to claim, and you cannot just prance in whenever you please.
I do not prance. I parade.
Fisch, your behavior is putting a strain on our friendship.
Bird, how long have we been friends?
Since the war.
Since the war. And how long have we been best friends?
Who said you were my best friend?
Since the motherfucking war. And when in that time did you have a chance to plop out a little you?
It wasn't long before the war.
This is messed up, Bird.
It was a rough situation. I had a kid. We share custody. What else do you want to know?
What is it?
A girl.
She cool?
Obviously.
Do I know the dad?
You might.
You're a secret keeper. A keeper of secrets. One who is seen but not known.
This is exactly what I was hoping to avoid.
Does your family know about her? Do you keep her under a cupboard underneath the stairs? Does everybody know except for me?
You're making a really big deal out of this.
Holy shit, it is just me.
You're my drug dealer.
Just weed. And it's mostly fake.
You don't even have a job. You danced for money last month.
And that street corner will never be the same again.
I watched you steal a pedicab in the middle of 6th Street.
That was only after you saddled me with your date for the evening, which, if I recall, was a gigantic lesbian with way too many opinions about the Greeks.
You left her in a hobo den.
What was I supposed to do? The police horses were gonna rape her.
You are not someone I can have around my kid. And frankly, I don't think you should be around me either.
Well, that doesn't make any sense.
You're not anyone to me. You're not someone that my kid or I can depend on.
You're a single mom with a foot fetish, and that means we can't hang out?
Wait, how do you know about that?
We've been friends since the war. You can't depend on me? I need another mocha.
Wait. I like the way that I feel when I'm with you. I feel free. But I don't like that I don't feel that way when I'm with her.
Okay.
My kid came to me as a blessing, and I just want to have that with her and this friendship with you. Okay?
Okay. You know, I would never see you as anything you don't want to be seen as.
I know.
You know exactly how I see you.
Can we be done?
Yep.
Mom, I just want to be like best friend.
That's what I said too.
overseas.